So, randomized controlled trial is a part of study design. A randomized controlled trial is a type of experimental study in which participants are randomly assigned to one of two or more treatment groups to assess the effectiveness of an intervention or treatment. Here, an example of RCT, randomized controlled trial. For example, testing the efficacy of new drug for hypertension patients. So what would be our research questions? First, we should know. So research question is, does a new drug, like drug X, effectively lower blood pressure in individuals with hypertension compared to a placebo? So this is our research questions. Let's start to how to do it. So selection of participants first. So researcher identify a group of individuals diagnosed with hypertension who meet the inclusion criteria for the study. These participants are informed about the study and asked for their consent to participate. Random assignments. The eligible participants are randomly assigned to one of two groups. First one is the treatment group. Participants in this group will receive the new drug like drug X, and control group participants in this group will receive a placebo, which is an inactive substance. Then blinding. To minimize bias, participants and researchers may be blinded, means they are not aware, to group assignments. This means that participants do not know whether they are receiving the new drug or placebo. And researchers conducting the study do not know which group each participant is in. Double blind design. Treatment and follow-up. Participants in the treatment group receive regular doses of drug X, while those in the control group receive placebo. The participants' blood pressure levels are monitored over a specified period of time, such as several months. So, data collection. Researcher collect data on blood pressure measurements for both groups throughout the study. Data may also include information on adverse effects or side effects experienced by participants. And data analysis. After the study period, researchers analyze the data to compare changes in blood pressure between the treatment group and control group. Statistical methods are used to determine whether any differences are statistically significant. And results and conclusion. If the study finds that drug X significantly lower blood pressure compared to the placebo, it can be conducted that the new drug is effective for treating hypertension. The results may also provide information about the degree of effectiveness and the side effects associated with drug X. So publication and implication, the study findings are published in a scientific journal, and the new drug may be considered for approval by regulatory agencies for use in treating hypertension. So RCTs are considered the gold standard of determining the effectiveness of intervention or treatments because they control for many potential sources of bias and provide strong evidence of causality. In this example, the RCT design is used to test the efficacy of new drug X for hypertension, ensuring that the treatment's effects are rigorously evaluated throughout random assignments and control group.